Everybody, you like Facebook? We love Facebook. It's down here. That thing is printing at $199. And not only that, you can see it here on that big 3-minute bar, straight down to 198. We're printing 198 for all of you Facebook lovers. And let me tell you another thing that we would like you to know very quickly. We are down. We are tanking on Facebook. It's down to 197, 198. I'm going to get those. You can see this big, fat red bar in this 3-minute chart. It dropped off the cliff. We're hitting 196 and lower. I'm going to find out what those numbers are. We bought the 217 put options that went out until when? It went out until August 17th. So what do you got to say about Facebook? It's printing down here. We're going to find out what those numbers are in that 3-minute. We're hitting 195, 198. There will be a pop back up. But let's go and let's find out some more. Irrational exuberance, I can tell you right now. We just hit 195. The numbers are out. We have anticipated, they said, lower numbers, and they were pimping this stock market today because of Trump's little crap right here. This is what happens when you get overbought. This is what happens when all the hype is in, and we are short Facebook. And I'm going to read off some of that. Everybody, they beat that number by 4 cents. Reports slight miss on the revs. Now, our guys said on the top line would beat, and it did. And the June earnings of $1.74 per share. That was 4 cents better, which we already knew was going to happen before this report. $1.70 revenues rose 41.9% year over year, 13.23 billion versus the 13.35 billion. That's a light revenue. Cost plus 50% to 7.3 billion. When we go over what some of the daily activity users were 1.47 billion on average in June of 18, and an increase of 11% year over year. Monthly active users on the MAUs were 2.23 billion as of June 30th. And not only that, our community and business continues to grow quickly, said Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook founder and CEO. We are committing to investing to keep people safe and secure. That's a bunch of crap. This is the earnings miss. And believe me, the bulls are getting killed right now. This thing just hit 195. And listen, everybody that owns Facebook, they're going to try to come out with something positive. Well, there isn't nothing positive about it. And right now you can see the prints. 199, we're down here at 195. And we already knew what was going to happen. And we did. And it was exactly to what our guys on the fundamentals said. It stands right now, this is down $15.48. The bulls are getting crushed on Facebook. That means the liars are going to be coming out. The analysts will try to pump it. But you know what, man? There's a lot of overhang for it. And yeah, we'll come up off of the bottom. They'll do anything and everything. We're going to wait for the conference call. And that's the headline number, knee-jerk situation on Facebook. Right now, I want to make sure the date is 7/25 of 2018. The time is 1:22 p.m. What? Pacific Standard Time. Now, this is what the Facebook did. And not only was that the case, Facebook was about as overbought that you're going to get on a monthly and weekly charts. And, you know, what we're going to do tomorrow, we got the $217 put options. That's what we have. So tomorrow, if Facebook could drop lower, we would look at buying the 195 call to take it up off of the bottom tomorrow. And that what they have to say right now, this is real. So the conference call is going to come out, and they can still try to pump it up. They try to pump anything up, especially this Facebook. The last print was 217.50. It's right there. You can see it with my pointer. You can see
Yes.
here, printing at
Mhm.
199. You can see
Mhm.
here, the low was 195. So
Mhm.
that's the pre-line number. I'm going to conclude the video. They're going to come out on a conference call. Yes, you can see how fast it's moving, and they will try to buy the stock and whatnot. But we're going to conclude that part of the move. Okay, I'm going to try to fix this up for everybody right here where you can actually see the Facebook prints. We're down here. We're printing at 190, 190. Do you see 190? I see it. Here we go. We're down to 190. We were down to 189 at the bottom. Facebook is on the conference call. We know that. And most importantly is, where does that money print? We are short. We bought the 217.50 puts. Why don't you get into that free 5-day trial and get in here? What's stopping you about having success? Come on, this is real. It's here. It's now. And most important, my friends, you're invited. And it really doesn't matter who you are as far as individual person. You know, you're a good person. We're printing down to 187 right now, and this is Facebook. It's a very premier trade, and why we get paid the way that we get paid, and we want you to do the same, and we want you to have the feelings of making a tremendous amount of money when you're right. And this is in the after hours on the Facebook earnings. Once again, right now it's 2:27 p.m., 7/25, 2018. It's here, it's now, and it's everything, my friends, that you would like to be. And I understand that. So, once again, you can see right here that this dove straight off that cliff. So, here's what happens when you do not perform correctly and when you're right about the trade, it's all good. Right, so you can see where it's printing right now at 180, down over $33, and we're short big on Facebook. Why can't you learn what we could talk about on the fundamental side of things? And when people miss or have a problem in their business model, then you start to see things like this. And you get paid a tremendous amount of money, my friends, one that goes down in value. And you make money when other ones go up in value. It doesn't matter. What matters is learning to know where, why, and when, and get that price, get that bid. Once you get that bid, and you transacted at the money when you're going to get this right here, right now. I'm printing 179. Do I see 178? Yes, I do. 179, 178 right here in after hours. And it is live and learning how to use the option market. That's why we are Turbo Option Trader. Turbo Option Trader, and we're going to go straight down. I'm printing at 179. I know that this is the premier for many years to come. Understanding how to get that bid when you're in the live trading room, get that bid. And whether it's an upside bid or a downside bid, you deserve to be rewarded for being correct and being trained by us to understand what these things are going to do and why they're going to do it. And the proof is here, it's now, and it's our delight to you to be able to share this very moment with you at print 178.50. I got a 180s are printing back above it. Now let's see what continues to happen. It's here. It's now. 2:34 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Date 7/25, 2018. Here and now, printing at 179 on Facebook with the put option entry. And we're inviting you. You should come and have a good time and make a little bit of money with us. There's nothing wrong with doing that. Each and every one of you. Okay, everybody, I've taken everybody through this trade. We're still printing down there on Facebook. And the greatest thing in the world is by getting these big moves either direction of the marketplace and the entries. Okay, the time is 3:02 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 7/25, 2018. You're watching that big trade that we did. We bought the 217.5 put options for 8 of 17 of 2018. Yeah. So anyway, I want to report back to you that this is where we're going and this is what we traded, and here is the reasons why. And we would like you to be able to experience the same feelings that gives you a reward for the kind of work you do, or you get trained here. Yeah, I can train you how to do this. You just have to say, you know what? I'm going to be able to do that because that's what I want to be. That's what I want to do. And we're printing down at 166, 167 right now at 3 p.m. Learn how to trade the freeoptiontrader.com way. Why not get involved? You deserve to be involved. That I can say for sure.